G'day, Lee and AJ here from Kincrome. Now, considering I'm the truck maintenance expert...
Really?
Well, actually, I don't know the first thing about trucks, but anyway.
That's all right, mate. We've got a couple of tools in the range that'll be able to help you out there. In the Kincrome range of AirHydraulic Jacks, there is the truck jack and the bottle jack. The truck jack is rated to 22,000 kilograms with a lifting height of 452 mil without the use of a saddle. And the bottle jack has a working rate of 20,000 kilos with a lifting height of 502 millimeters. Let's see how they work. Lee, if you're working in really small spaces, the truck jack is perfect for this role. So starting from the top, you've got a long handle, 3 adjustable pin settings to adjust that handle back. It's got 3 interchangeable saddles, one at 20 millimeters, one at 60 millimeters, and one at 100 millimeters. We've also got extra large wheels to help with maneuverability.
And from a safety point of view, what do we need to look out for?
Yeah, really important with the safety elements of this. We're lifting a very heavy truck. We've got a high capacity tool. Let's just make sure that we chock the opposite wheel that we're lifting, that we put it in park, set the emergency brake, be careful of oncoming vehicles, and also make sure that the ground that we're working on is nice and level and free of clutter.
Now, before you start, check your manual to see where your jacking point is on the truck. And also, important to put a couple of drops of air tool oil down the air line, no more than 4 drops. That's just to lubricate the system. So once you're in place with the jack, it's as simple as depressing the air release lever to activate the hydraulic ram. Just a demonstration on how we lower the jack, simply turn the hydraulic release knob to lower down.
So there you have it, the truck jack. So it's now time to talk about the bottle jack. The bottle jack has similar features, obviously without the wheels, but it has an advantage that you're able to use it without air, so you can manually use it. Let's see how it works. If you're using the bottle jack manually, you just need to make sure that the air release valve is closed. Turn it firm clockwise with the release handle, and then you're able to pump it up manually. Yeah. So once your maintenance is completed, to lower the hydraulic ram, you just take the handle and slot it into the release valve and you turn that counterclockwise. So there you have the 2 AirHydraulic Jacks. There are some maintenance videos, make sure you do check those out. Thanks for your help, Lee. You actually did look like an expert, mate.
I actually felt like an expert.